Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I want to show you a drill that I love for strengthening your glutes and your hamstrings. And I also love it because this is a great drill to run sprints without running sprints. So it's easy on your joints. Anyway, I'll just shut up and I'll show you what it is. It's kind of like a standing speed skater. And if you find this drill, you will find your glutes and your hamstrings, okay? So this is when you gotta experience it to understand it. But anyway, as I said, I'm gonna shut up and show you. You stand like so, and you're gonna step back and reach back while you fold over your forward leg, and opposite arm and leg are gonna go back together, and you're just gonna plant and then pop up. And then you step back, plant, pop up, and you can put a little, at first you can just kind of feel your way through it. And just feeling your way through it, you'll see that, oh, there's some muscles back here. But once you start to add a little pop to it, and you make sure you really fold over this leg here, and you're reaching back. So this is where that speed skater comes in, because opposite arm and leg are moving back together. But you do 10 on the right, and that was my left, but now I'm doing 10 on the right. And you can work this from side to side. And again, you're just stepping back and folding over your hip. And what you'll discover later in the day, and certainly tomorrow, is that right here, through right here, hello, how you doing? You have found your glutes and your hamstrings. But this is also, if you run sprints, or if you just want to stay spry as you're older and keep your springs very healthy and strong so you can bound up steps or just live life, this is a great non-impact way to strengthen those running muscles, sprinting muscles, jumping muscles, but it's easy on your joints. So again, it's here. And if you want to add a little ump to it and be fancy and still nail your glutes and hamstrings, you can turn it into a speed skating single leg deadlift. Instead of touching the ground, you just throw that leg back, and here's where the fun's at. And then, well, I guess I don't have to switch. Well, maybe I'll switch. So you throw that leg back, and you're just taking this leg and pointing it like you're trying to kick a hole through the wall behind you. Anyway, that is probably one of my favorite drills that I've been doing in the last season or so of my life. So give it a shot, discover your glutes and your hamstrings, increase your power, develop your sprinting muscles, your anti-aging muscles, because really that's what they are. But you gotta try it to experience it, to know it, all right? So make sure you give it a shot, all right? I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.